Hey, it's Tom Stearns with Benchmark Mortgage.
And Jim Douglas with Allen Edwin Homes.
Hey, just wanted to start off the year with one of our Hero Highlight series, and I thought no better way to start the year off than with thanking our own hero that we know.
Absolutely.
Adrian, thanks for coming in. More importantly, brother, thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service.
Thanks for having me. My name is Staff Sergeant Rich. I've been in the Army for 10 years now. I'm currently a recruiter here in Kalamazoo, and we're located on 3254 Stadium Drive if you're ready to serve this country.
Awesome. So, speaking of country, how many countries have you been to?
I've been to about 7 or 8 different countries, from Qatar, Romania, Germany.
Wow.
Perfect. You've had a really interesting journey through the Army. What's your favorite thing about it?
So, since I've been in the Army, I've been able to change my career path multiple times, and simultaneously I've been able to continue to promote and move up in the rank structure and do different jobs, from fiber optics, respiratory therapy, and leadership skills. The list goes on and on.
Fantastic.
Awesome. So look at, it was an awesome opportunity to help you with your financing. Once again, I want to thank you for that, to help you get in one of these awesome Allen Edwin homes. So I wanted to take today, I know Jim did too, to thank you for your service, but more importantly, let you know how much we appreciate you allowing us the opportunity to help you and your family get in a home.
Yeah. Again, thank you for helping me through this journey. It was a long move from San Antonio, Texas, up here to Michigan. I love this cold weather, and you guys helped me out a lot. I really do appreciate it.
It was an honor to serve you. Thank you.
Hey, if you see a veteran or a first responder today, please thank them for their service.